Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you how to collect sunflower seeds. This is one of my sunflower plants. I have grown it from my own collected seeds. One bloom flower stays for 3 to 4 days, then the petals falls off and only the brown middle part remains on the stem. I have grown this in a 6 inches grow bag. If we want to get more flowers from the plant, then we cut off this petalless middle part. But if you want to collect seeds, then you leave it till dry and brown. This is green. I cut some green flower heads and checked them for seeds. I have seen a black colored seed. This is a black seed. I get another one. I find another one. When flower head is completely dry in color, we get many mature seeds. These are all mature seeds and black in color. When seeds are completely dry, fill it in an airtight container or a packet. Write the flower name on the packet and save it for the next year.